In 2019, we launched the world's first waterproof hemp shoes right here, and they have a ranking of 4.8 on Trustpilot. Now, we have a new product, our hemp backpacks.
Very good.
Hemp. You already know that you can smoke it. What you might not know is that hemp is one of nature's most sustainable fibers available. It consumes 3 times less water than cotton and needs almost no fertilizers to grow. Hemp is so strong that Henry Ford built a car out of it. It took us 3 years of intense work and research to achieve this. The world's first waterproof hemp backpack. A streamlined everyday carry coming with unbeatable value, quality, and innovation. A design that combines the best of durability and sustainability while being stylish and minimalist. 100% hemp, waterproof, and durable. The backpack of a lifetime has arrived. The 8000 Kicks Everyday Backpack was built for maximum versatility. Inside, you have a wide open space with compartments for your tablet, your 15-inch computer, and room for all your weekend clothing. The back panel comes with an ergonomic shape and a hidden pocket for storing what you can't lose. The rolled top upper design adapts to your content, ranging from a small discrete capacity of 18 liters to a full weekend capacity of up to 30 liters. Our backpack was built for the weekend traveler, the commuter, the explorer. One bag to fit them all. Hiking or walking, this bag
Each of us has a story to share. And we all want to tell it in our own time, in our own way, our own style, our own language, our own expression. Here at ShiftCam, we've made clever, useful mobile gear for all types of creators. And SnapGrip is our latest creation for the everyday storyteller. Grip, snap, shoot. share what you love as and when it happens. We've been building on our success with ProGrip to continue to provide the best shooting and charging experience. And this is what we've come up with. SnapGrip, a quick and compact magnetic grip, dock, and charger for your phone. By concentrating on the essential parts of a DSLR, we've kept the SnapGrip minimal, so your creativity can be your focus. Everything just snaps on. So let's start with how you hold your phone. It should be an extension of you. Comfortable, stable, and intuitive. We've taken the optimal design